all the single parents sign up for the gas card giveaway, the Shelter from the Rain tent out front. Patronize our incredible food vendors, because food, y'all.
Hi, I'm Jennifer with Shelter from the Rain, and we're here at our annual car show for single moms in partnership with the Eichholtz Law Firm. This is our first year that we actually need Shelter from the Rain, but it's actually perfect for our organization because that's what we do. We help single moms when they have the storms of life. We help them figure out and navigate those unexpected challenges as single moms. So thank you to everyone who makes this possible for us to turn rainy days into sunny days. We love you. Thank you so much.
Best in Show goes to 294. I think the gentleman's name is Tony, I want to say.
Thank you to Eichholtz Law Firm, Exclusive Engravings, Film is Life, and all our amazing sponsors. You can find Shelter from the Rain at shelterfromtherain.com or on Facebook or Instagram at Shelter from the Rain Inc. Thank you to everybody who made this day special and allowed us to offer Shelter from the Rain for our single moms. Thank you so much.